Good day, folks, and welcome to my Instagram Live. How is everybody doing? I thought I would get on here impromptu, of course, because I don't always plan these. Hi, guys. Welcome to the live. I thought I would do I don't know if you guys know, but I do a 10 best series where I focus in on the 10 best minis that I've seen this week. And I thought I would do a 10 best minis from my own collection that I would share today. And the first one is, and welcome if you're just joining, I'm going to share some of my, I have a lot of favorites, but these are just the 10 that I picked out today. So the first one is this beautiful shell collection by Wendy's Miniatures. And I think what I'll do is I will put the names definitely in the comments section so you guys can find them later on. Wendy Smale did this beautiful piece. It is their real shells in a printer's box. The printer's box is handmade, obviously. Well, not obviously, but maybe you don't realize it, but it is real. It's hardwood. It is handmade, filled with real shells. She's pretty awesome, Wendy. You should really check out her work. She is online, Wendy Smale, but this is one of my, ultimately my favorite pieces in my collection. So if you're just joining, say hello. I'm going to put that down, and I will show you the next item up in my collection. I wish I wrote down the names of all these. Okay, so check out these beautiful boots. Her name is Valeria Buonomo. She is out of Italy. Where else would you find freaking boots like this? I mean, they're gorgeous, gorgeous, very Gucci-inspired. And she's an amazing craftsperson. She's now started out making shoes and handbags, and now she's making flowers. She's one crazy, amazing, talented miniaturist out of Italy. The name of her company, I should have written all this down, is, God, if somebody's on... Hey, West Gray Minis. Thank you. The shell collection is great. I'm going to show it again for those who are just joining, who might have missed the beginning. But I'm trying to think of Valeria's name who did this. She's out of Italy. What the name of her company is. I can't think of it now. I'm going to think of it in a sec. You know, I've had this in my collection for a long time. Nobody likes it. People just don't like it. But you know what? I love it. This is handmade pottery by Craig Roberts. He is known as the Harry Potter, for real. I don't know if he's making pottery anymore. I haven't seen him in a while. But just look at this pot. Obviously, it's hand-thrown on a tiny wheel. The detail is just crazy and amazing. And the coloring. And then, of course, you've got this just amazing. What do you guys think of this piece? I mean, it's not traditional, for sure. It is definitely offbeat, I would think. But I just love it. I love it. It is one of my favorite pieces in my collection. Okay, so the next piece up is, it's a wreath. I do know the name of the woman who made this. It's called Pepperwood Miniatures. It is literally, it's a cotton wreath. It's a wreath made of cotton balls. The work on this is just stunning. It is stunning. Spooky beautiful. Why do you think that? I don't know. What does that mean? Wait, hold on. Respect you around Belarus. Unfortunately, my country, I don't have the more than against us. All right. Okay. Thank you for your comment. Let's talk minis. Yeah. So it's from Pepperwood Miniatures. I forget her name, but she's wildly talented. And this is literally a cotton ball wreath. I would imagine this is made of real cotton. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to put that down there because this is really, it's quite delicate. So the more you touch it, the more it kind of breaks. So I try not to touch my miniatures very often. Okay, so the next item, this is actually one of the first pieces I ever bought. Look at this. Obviously, it's a feather duster. But I think these are real feathers. I'm not 100%. Hey, Tiny Graceland, good to see you. I think this might be real feathers. I think they are. And the handle is wood. And I think as much as I love this, this is literally, I think, now that I'm looking at it closely, I've never looked at it this closely. I think this is like literally duct tape, but the piece is gorgeous. I love it. You can't, I mean, it's just perfectly scaled, perfectly proportioned. Yeah, thanks to the waves, because this is a nice piece. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see what else I have. We're midway through my little collection. Whatever you're calling this. Review, top 10 best. I don't remember where I got this, but we are coming along. We're getting close to being like Easter and springtime. And this is just, I think they're cookies. I'm not 100% sure, but look at that. They are real. Like, you can open this. I just don't want things to like go all over the place. And each one of these do come out. Look at this. Isn't that crazy? I think they're cookies. I'm not 100% sure. But the box is divine. The little box divider. Look at the box divider. I mean, it's so super thin, which really makes it a great miniature. I mean, it's just perfectly proportioned. Eek, so cute. I know. Isn't that great? All right, so another one of my crazy, amazing favorites. Look at that. Look at that. So this is an Eames chair. It was made by Michael Yurkovic from Atomic Miniature. If you don't know his work, check his work out. The Atomic Miniature. He's on Instagram. This guy, I mean, the way his mind works, he comes from a background in product engineering. So his brain works amazingly to make miniatures. I mean, look at the detail on here. Look at the work on here. This, if you're not here to oh, Valeria Buonomi, thank you, Graphic Luma. Yeah, she's the girl. She's the gal who made these beautiful shoes. Thank you. Thank you. This chair, if you were holding it right now, it is lighter weight than a potato chip. This is vacuum formed like the real Eames chair would have been. And if I set this down, it's going to be hard to set it down because I'm going to move stuff around, but it is so perfectly proportioned. Look how it rocks. It rocks. Look at that. This is probably, I mean, they're all my favorites. I don't know how else to say it, but they're all my favorites. It rocks. That's how amazing it is. That's how amazing the craftsmanship is. That's how well made it is. On the topic of sort of the printer boxes, this is another piece that is one of my favorites. This I found in an estate sale. It wasn't as filled as what you see here. I kind of added some things of my own. If you guys are just joining, I'm doing like a 10 best minis from my own collection. Sort of part of my series that I've been doing, which is 10 best minis. I go on scour the internets, I find minis that I like, and I post them and credit the artists that have created them. But this is stuff from my own collection. I love this. One of my favorite things. Oh, I don't have my, oh yes, I do. Hold on. I have my little trusty. Couple of my favorites, I think that I added was this tiny little spoon with a pink handle. Love it. I'm just noticing that this, jeez, look at this. This is a rabbit. Now it's gone. All right. I love this. My other favorite thing in here is this cup and the saucer, which actually came with it, which I love. Love. So if you guys are just joining, I'm going through my collection. I have about 4 more things that I want to share before I end our little live and say goodbye for the weekend. What's gonna save to do next? I don't know if I should. Look at this. This I found in a dollhouse shop recently. It is this not the cup and saucer are beautiful? Yes. Hey, Michael Miniatures. Can you guys know what this is? What is it? You tell me, and then I'll show you what I think. This is just an incredibly made miniature. The hardwood and the grain. This is all pretty, really, really lightweight. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is all hand cut. It is literally I don't know where I got the umbrella, but it's an umbrella stand. Yay, there you go. Good guys. You guys are good. But this actually, although this is a very nice umbrella, again, I don't know where I got it. I think I got it from an estate sale. That is a gorgeous umbrella. However, I want to show you this umbrella, which I found at a show in the last few years. This is metal with leather, and it is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's not like, it's not like the umbrella, the black umbrella, where it's like perfect. This is just like, it's almost like a piece of jewelry. It is well proportioned and well scaled for an umbrella. It doesn't look like a real umbrella, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. So that's my, also, I mean, I'm a big fanatic for anything that's made of wood in miniature. And then when you get down to sort of this kind of detail and this, the carving and the grain work, I am loving it. Okay, two more things. Loving it. Okay, two more things. One is this loveliness. This is one of, how cute is this? This is a bonsai. What do you guys think of this bonsai? I can tell you where I got it. Actually, I made this. I found this bowl, whatever you call this, and I just basically crafted the bonsai out of it. I like it. It is one of my favorite pieces. I just thought I would. Last but not least, also something I found recently in a dollhouse shop, somewhere. I don't remember where. You ready for this? Because this really is, it's worth the wait. I want to open it, but not hold it. Okay, I'm going to go out of frame because I need to open this carefully because it is, I don't want it to go all over the place. Oh, and it almost did go all over the place. Wait, here we go. I can't fix it now. We're just going to have to go with it. We're going to have to go with it because this is like live. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to fix a little of them, a few of them, but I mean, essentially what I'm going to, obviously you know what it is, but I just want to show you, I don't know what these are made of, but it is a full set, which is really unusual, but look how tiny. It seems to be pretty old. I don't think this was a new set, so who has any ideas of what these pieces might be made of? I don't think that, I think the set is too old for it to be 3D printed. I have a feeling these are made of I think they're plastic, but they have to be hand carved. That's my feeling, my sense. What do you guys think? I mean, they are beautiful. They're beautiful. I don't care what they are made of, even if they are plastic. I love them. And I do, well, let's see. This one, now that I'm looking at it really closely, does have some edges on it that leads me to believe it's plastic. However, they're still beautiful. I don't think they're ivory. I don't think they're ivory. I think they might be plastic, but look at the detail. Crazy, crazy. There's no machine that would make this. That's my feeling because it's too small, too small. So that's my little chess set. And that concludes the last of my little miniature ebony ivory. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. There was no board that came with it. It came in this little box, which the box itself is kind of old and dusty. So I don't know, lead. I don't know. But these are all good answers. I don't think it's plastic. I really don't, because I don't see any edges that would lead me to believe they cracked off of an edge. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining my little live. This has been really wonderful. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Maybe I'll do this next Friday. I'll make it a Friday thing. I don't know. Have a great weekend, guys. Thanks.